Wow,
Wow, wow, wow!
it's so hot today. I'm melting.
I'm melting! Oh!
哇，今天好热呀，我都要融化了。
I can't believe how hot it is.
Can't believe it! I can't believe this!
真不敢相信今天有多热。
It's not even noon yet.
Is it even noon yet?
还不到中午呢。
That means it will get hotter.
So it's gonna get hotter and hotter until it's,
那就意味着会更热。
Yeah, it's definitely a scorcher.
Boy, it's a scorcher out there.
是啊，今天绝对是个热天。
I am dying from the heat.
I am dying.
我都被热死了。
But at least we have the ocean to cool off in.
Oh, he's cool enough.
但至少我们有海洋，可以在里面降温。
You're right.
You're right, you're right, you're right.
Let's go for a swim.
Let's go swimming!
你说的对，我们去游泳吧。
Sounds good to me.
Sounds good to me!
Just make sure to put on some sunscreen first.
I forgot to put on sunscreen.
听起来不错，只是记得先涂上防晒霜。
Good call.
Good call.
I don't want to get burned.
Before I get burned.
好主意，我不想被晒伤。
And don't forget your sunglasses.
Forget your sunglasses too, Gunny.
The sun is so bright today.
The sun is bright.
还有，别忘了戴上太阳镜。今天太阳太刺眼了。
Got it.
Got it, got it, got it, got it, got it, got it.
Let's go enjoy this beautiful day.
Let's enjoy the beautiful things.
明白了，让我们去享受这美好的一天吧。
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Nothing beats a day at the beach.
Nothing beats a day at the ballpark with my family.
绝对没问题。没有什么比在海滩度过一天更棒的了。
Now, let's repeat with us.
Scorcher.
酷热的天气，
Sunscreen.
防晒霜，
Sunglasses.
太阳镜，
Beach.
海滩，
Today.
今天，
Noon.
中午，
Swim.
游泳，
Beautiful.
美丽的。